this March. Okay, August 30. Your energy is 30, so 3 plus 0 is 3. We got the card as 3. Yes, no, and maybe. Guardian angel and my Kamala spirit guide me. The tarot card only saying yes, no, and maybe, and this is it. The Knight of Pentacles. This is composed of 1 Pentacles, meaning routine. Kikitain. Means magkikita pa kayo. Yeah, of course. Magkikita pa kayo ng person mo, ha? Sana resonate mo to. Ha? Birthday mo, August 30, okay? So, the card saying yes. Laki ng possibility na magkikita pa kayo, ha? Magko-contact pa ba kami ni April 5? What kind of contact? Ano lang ako? Ano yung klase ng contact? What kind of contact? See each other?